The production process of the paper-faced gypsum board manufacturing machine mainly includes the following steps: raw material preparation, slurry preparation, initial setting, drying, stacking, and packaging. Our equipment can achieve automated operation, improve production efficiency and product quality, and ensure the stability and reliability of the production process. The gypsum board manufacturing machine has multiple advantages, including but not limited to the following. Firstly, the equipment adopts advanced technology and equipment, which can achieve automated production, improve production efficiency, and reduce labor costs. Secondly, high-quality raw materials are used to ensure product quality. In addition, it can produce gypsum boards of various specifications and sizes, and has good adaptability. Finally, the equipment is easy to operate, with low maintenance costs and a long service life. The production process of the paper-faced gypsum board manufacturing machine mainly Regarding customer requirements, we can provide paper-faced gypsum board manufacturing machines of different specifications and sizes, and provide customized design and production according to customer requirements. At the same time, we can provide full service support before, during, and after sales, including equipment installation, commissioning, training, and maintenance. If customers have special requirements, we can provide professional technical support and solutions. In summary, our paper-faced gypsum board manufacturing machine has an efficient, stable, and reliable production process and excellent product quality, which can meet various customer needs and improve their production efficiency and product quality.